two important things Prabhupada discusses. One is, Kashyap, it was his prime duty to satisfy the desire of his wife. Because whatever the wife was asking was according to religious principles. Moreover, if the husband does not satisfy the desire, then the wife will look out somewhere else to satisfy her desire. So it was the prime duty of Kashyap Muni to satisfy her desire. But Prabhupada says, he was not strong enough to convince her that this is not a proper time. He was not spiritually strong enough. तो कश्यप मुनि जो हैं, आध्यात्मिकता में उन्होंने इतनी प्रगति नहीं की थी कि वो अपनी पत्नी से कह सके कि ये समय सही नहीं है. Convincingly, he gave few examples, everything. But he could have said, nothing doing. Could have said. So Prabhupada says he could not say that. Because he was also motivated with the desire. And even though he is giving reasons, he is not strong enough to convince his wife. But it was his prime duty to satisfy them. So Prabhupada points out, Vidura, on the other hand, Maitreya Rishi is calling him when he is telling him this story. जब मैत्रेय ऋषि विदुरा को ये कथा बता रहे हैं, तो उनको कह रहे हैं वीरा. स्पेसिफिकली ये इंसिडेंट बताने के बाद में मैत्रेय ऋषि विदुरा से वीरा कह रहे हैं, और प्रभुपाद उसी में ये टिप्पणी लिख रहे हैं, कमेंट कर रहे हैं. कश्यप मुनि फेल्ड to convince. But Maitreya Rishi wanted to address Vidura that Kashyapa was not strong like you. You are Veera. So, spiritually advanced. So that is the importance of that. Another very important thing Prabhupada says there, Kashyapa was engaged in spiritual activity. Prabhupada is saying this. He was engaged in spiritual activity, but he did not have sufficient strength to refuse his wife. That means he was not as spiritually strong as Vidura. Because no one is stronger in self-control than a devotee of the Lord. No one can be stronger in self-control than a devotee of the Lord. तो आगे कश्यप मुनि जो हैं, अपनी पत्नी को समझाते हैं और क्या कहते हैं? एष घोर तमः बेला. मटीरियली वो कहते हैं कि भौतिक दृष्टि से ये जो बेला है, इसे this twilight that is called as time is called as bela in Sanskrit. Ghor tama bela. From material point of view, this is very, very inauspicious time. Most inauspicious. Ghora Vela. Why? Because if somebody engages in material activities specifically like this, तो कहते हैं घोरा नाम घोर दर्शना. Horrible looking. घोरा नाम घोर. जो भूत पिशाच प्रेत जो अत्यंत भद्दे हैं दिखने में, इस प्रकार के जो जीव होते हैं उनके दर्शन होते हैं। दे आर विजिबल एट दिस टाइम, संध्या के समय। चरंती यस्याम भूतानी, यस्याम का मतलब है इस समय में, इस बेला में, संध्या के समय में, चरंती ये लोग घूमते हैं। भूतानी ये भूत पिशाच प्रेत, इस प्रकार के एविल स्पिरिट ये घूमते हैं। और ये कौन है, इनकी आइडेंटिटी क्या है, ये कौन लोग हैं? भूत पिशाच प्रेत ये क्या है? भूतेशा अनुचरंतिहा, ये जो भूत के ईश्वर हैं शिव जी, भूतेश उनको कहते हैं, भूतेश्वर। अनुचरंती ये उनके फॉलोअर्स होते हैं, तो उनके कांस्टेंट कंपेनियन है। तो यही प्रभुपाद आज की तात्पर्य में भी बता रहे हैं। प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं कि शिव जी जो है, ही इज द मास्टर ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स। तो ये माया शक्ति कौन है? माया शक्ति इज दुर्गा, करेक्ट? Durga is made servant of Lord Shiva. So what is this material world? He is the father of this material world, right? He is the master of this material world. But still, even though he is the master of this material world, he has no house. कर सकते हो? You have everything with you, सब है आपके पास में. You give facilities for everybody, but you have nothing with you. Very difficult. बहुत मुश्किल है. So can you imagine what is his consciousness level? नहीं प्रभु, मुझे भी तो maintain करनी है dignity. I have to also maintain some kind of dignity. Of course it is required. Not that कल से सोच लो कि प्रभु ने क्लास में बोला था, प्रभु मुझे कैबिन वैबिन कुछ नहीं चाहिए, है ना? I will sleep in the temple hall. ऐसा नहीं. We cannot imitate. These are all personalities whose consciousness is well developed. हरिदास ठाकुर जो है वो एक कुटिया में बैठ करके भगवान के नाम का जप 24 घंटे कर सकते हैं. हम लोग नहीं. We will think of only material subject matters. So today सवेरे सुना था 16 rounds. आज सुना था maybe not recently in our Namamrita we read. So in that I had read about that. Because we cannot chant. We cannot chant so many rounds. So 2 hours minimum that we should chant, and balance time we should be engaged.